To receive new poker definitions regularly, subscribe to the channel now. Definition of connectors. In poker, connectors are cards that follow each other. 23, 34, 67 are connectors. There are two types of connectors: matching connectors, example 56 of hearts or 56 of spades, etc., and unmatched connectors, 5 of spades, 6 of hearts. The matched connectors have on average an extra 5% equity over the unmatched connectors, which is not negligible. The playability of connectors. Connectors, especially suited connectors, are very popular as a starting hand among poker players. One of their greatest strengths is their playability. Even though a hand like Ace-2 has a higher absolute value than a hand like 910 in hearts, a hand like 910 in hearts will have better playability. When a hand has more playability, it will be more successful in the long run. If you have the initiative and a matching connector, there are few flops you won't bet on. Matching connectors give us good reasons to bet. For example, if with flop 910 in heart you see a flop like 782 with a single heart, you would bet in position with your draw. Your opponent might fold to leave you the pot. But even if he calls, a second heart on the turn will give you another reason to bet. You are betting here to maximize your fold equity and because your hand has just gained equity.